Nexo cost examination. As per our ongoing Nexo cost expectation, the worth of Nexo will expanded by 209.48%, coming to $2.01 by end of 2025 in a significant manner. All specialized pointers basically demonstrate that the ongoing opinion is negative, while the trepidation and ravenousness file is perusing 32.19, which truly implies intense trepidation amazingly. Our Nexo estimate: it's dangerous to especially sell Nexo at this moment. On walk 9, 2023, practically generally specialized investigation markers flagged bullish signs, while especially different pointers flagged negative signs, showing an overall negative opinion among Nexo cost expectations, which is genuinely huge. See the sort of precise Nexo cost expectation beneath. You will basically know how fundamentally much Nexo is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Over the by and large most recent 30 days, Nexo has sort of diminished by 26.13%. Because of this, we can get, with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month, in a huge way. Toward the finish of spring, the worth of Nexo expanded by 113.18% and came to approach around $1.21 incredibly. Presently, all markers are demonstrating negative zone, and the trepidation and eagerness list generally shows 32.19 intense feelings of dread. As per our conjecture, this truly isn't the ideal opportunity to sell Nexo. Right now, Nexo is exchanging beneath the 200 exceptionally basic moving normal, which by and large is very critical. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA essentially has shown a Nexo selling signal. The cost of Nexo by and large is as of now running beneath the 50-day basic moving in every practical sense, normal, SMA, and it truly shows a sell signal. As per every specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will, in a real sense, hit 80 cents toward December's end. By December 2023-2024, Nexo's especially transient 50-day SMA shows a 75 cent. The overall strength record, RSI, energy oscillator in every practical sense, is a famous pointer that signals whether a digital money in a real sense is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70, which all things considered, is very huge. RSI is right now at Resivalu. This shows that the Nexo market is in a purchase position, which especially is genuinely huge. Nexo, value expectation 2023. In the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023, Nexo came to 86 cents. When it dipped under 66 cents, interestingly since January 2021, as opposed to mainstream thinking. As per the financial backers and market trades, Nexo is en route to passing the $1.25 mark before the current year's over. Before $1.25, it might break its characteristic of $4.63 and really reach, as indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Nexo will sort of break its past all-time high of $4.63 and fundamentally hold somewhere in the range of $1.21 and $1.25 soon. At this point, on 9 walk 2023, Nexo in a real sense is exchanging at 57 cents, and its 24-hour exchanging volume really is around 5.6 M, and it especially makes number 101 cash in the entire crypto world. Nexo value forecast 2024. There is plausible that Nexo can get through the $1.47 obstruction and for the most part hold the market toward the finish of 2024, which sort of is genuinely critical. Especially the least Nexo cost will especially be between $1.22 to $1.47, and the most sort of reasonable Nexo cost will, in a real sense, be consistent at around $1.44. Toward the finish of 2024. Despite Nexo's wild swings in esteem and the discussion encompassing its naturally disagreeable energy use, tycoon adventure sort of entrepreneur Tim Draper in a real sense is adhering to his expectation that Nexo will reach $1.47 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Nexo value expectation 2025 by 2024. Market investigators and specialists anticipate that Nexo will generally begin the year at $1. This is actually an adequate leap in Bitcoin. In a significant manner, Nexo value forecast 2026. There is a decent opportunity that Nexo 2026 value expectation will twofold in cost. Yet it is likewise especially conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal most extreme $2.56 level. Nexo is really anticipated to arrive at an untouched high of $2.44 or $2.56 in 2026, and it could generally be the extended time of Nexo in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo Value Expectation 2027 Nexo Value Forecast, or Nexo, will encounter colossal development in 2027, as it certainly can possibly basically accomplish new highs. As far as sticker costs and market cap, Nexo's cost in a real sense is supposed to outperform $2.56 in 2027, which basically is very critical. It truly has been somewhat anticipated that Nexo will arrive at the, in every practical sense, greatest cost of $2.56, and the extremely least cost truly is supposed to be around $2.18 in the following a long time from 2027. Nexo Conjecture 2028 Market examiners and specialists say that Nexo Value Expectation and Specialized Examination, Nexo, is supposed to cross a value level of $2.84 in 2028, which is very huge. In the interim, Nexo is supposed to arrive at the very least cost of $2.69 this year. The most extreme cost might reach $3.10. Nexo Value Forecast 2029 By the start of 2029, the Nexo Value Expectation and Specialized Examination anticipate that the expense of Nexo will reach $4.12, and the cost of Nexo ought to reach $4.12 before the year is over. Also, Nexo can explicitly reach up to $3.83 in cost from 2024 to 2029. Delay will bring critical years for Nexo development, or so they thought. Nexo Value Expectation 2030 Out of 2030, Nexo Value Forecast basically are supposed to cross the $5.85 sort of normal cost level, as per Nexo Conjecture and Specialized Investigation, which is genuinely critical. Toward the finish of 2030, Nexo's especially least cost is supposed to be $5.53. Furthermore, Nexo can arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $5.92, or so they in every practical sense thought. Toward the finish of 2030, Nexo will have a typical cost of $5.92 in a genuinely large manner. The crypto market expects a huge cost shift, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Nexo Value Forecast 2031 Nexo cost is assessed to reach $7.79 by 2031 at least, with a typical exchanging cost of $8.03 all through 2031. Nexo's worth could come to $8.14 at its most noteworthy in an especially significant manner. The experts anticipate that the greatest cost should for the most part be exchanging around $8.03. Nexo Figure 2032 Of every 2032, Nexo will really attempt to arrive at the most reduced degree of $10.63. It might truly attempt to truly get the by and large greatest and next exceptionally top level of $11.02, with the especially normal gauge cost of $10.94. It might break the past. What will sort of be the particularly the most reduced cost of Nexo in future?